Hello and welcome to Lasa.Africa. Today we'll be doing our product assembly of our Casa 40 corner stand. Let's go ahead and open up the box. For our first step, we'll need 3 parts H and 3 parts number 8. Let's go ahead and assemble now. For our next step, we'll be needing 1 part E, 2 parts F, 3 parts G, 3 parts H, and 6 of our number 4 joiners. Let's go ahead and assemble now. Next step, we'll be needing 12 parts numbers 2, our screws, as well as the provided Allen key. Let's assemble now. For our next step, we'll be using our previous assembled parts, as well as new parts A, B, and C, our boards, and 9 number 1 self-tapping screws. Let's assemble now. With part F, you'll notice at the top there's a 5-degree cutoff. There's a slope here on both these parts here. Please be cautious when installing. Make sure that the correct direction is used. We'll go ahead now and show you how to assemble. Let's begin with part E, which has got our straight cut-off top. This is going to be the back support. Let's install part A at the base. Let's do that now. For our next step and our final step, we'll be needing one board D as well as three number 3 bolts and again our Allen key. Let's go ahead and assemble now. When installing parts D, pay attention to the countersunk holes here. When you pass the bolt through, it should sit flush. Otherwise, you'll be installing it incorrectly. Let's go ahead and install now. For our last step, this is an anti-tipping bracket, part number 5. Please refer to our user manual on how to install. Thank you. Thank you so much for watching our product assembly of our Casa 4T corner stand. Please visit us on www.lasa.africa for more product assembly videos and reviews. Thank you.